So I just made a video about obviously Naomi Rand and Chandler Moore leaving Maverick City, and I was like, yeah, I wonder if it's because of that Norman Giamaffi, I think if I'm saying the name wrong, interview. Come to find out, Chandler suing them. Yo, like, I remember when the interview first dropped, I made a video about it on YouTube and here, and like, it got, number one, it caused all this conversation, discourse about, what he said about gospel, which was crazy. And just the business of worship in general. And I never met Norman, but I know a lot of people saying, "Oh, well, he seems like a low integrity guy. He seems like the Suge Knight of Christian music." Others were like, "No, he's just a crafty businessman." Now, I don't know if him being sued like affirms the Suge Knight allegations. I don't know. I don't know these people. I never met these guys in my life. I'm just a content creator reacting to it. What I can say is that I bet money that Norman, when he did that interview with Isaac, he never thought that these will be the residual events, effects, whatever. Life come at you fast, whether you a janitor for a gas station, whether you're a race car driver, whether you're the executive of some massive Christian label, boy. That them tables turn, boy. I pray it works out well. Forgive me if I'm being messy. I don't mean to be messy. It's just interesting. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. It's interesting.
Days before Maverick City Music co-founder Chandler Moore announced his abrupt departure from the Grammy-winning worship collective, he sued the group's chief executive for allegedly stealing millions of dollars worth of royalties from him. The civil fraud lawsuit obtained by Billboard, which was filed by Moore's lawyer in Atlanta's federal court last Wednesday on the 1st of October, 5 days later on Monday, October the 6th, Moore announced on his social media that he was leaving Maverick City Music and focusing on his solo projects. According to Billboard, the lawsuit names several corporate entities, including Maverick City Music and the group's label, Tribal Records, but the primary target is Norman Gimfey, who was Moore's manager before buying an ownership stake in Maverick City Music and eventually becoming the collective CEO in 2023. Moore reposed great trust and confidence in and accepted his guidance in his businesses and financial decisions, read. Gimfey, however, abused his power and the trust that Moore bestowed upon him. The lawsuit claims that Gimfey's self-dealing began in 2021 when he brokered the sale of Maverick City's music masters to Sony distribution arm, the arcade, without telling Moore or disclosing that he would receive a commission from the deal. Moore then says that in 2022, Gimfey secretly directed Essential Music Publishing, Sony's Christian music publishing division, to pay all Moore's songwriting royalties directly to Maverick City Music. To make this happen, he allegedly forged Moore's signature on a co-publishing agreement that assigned half of all his composition right to the group. According to the lawsuit, Moore signed a final contract with Maverick City Music in 2024. Moore says he fulfilled his obligations by writing new music and completing a tour, but that Gimfey and his associate withheld more than $800,000 in royalty due under the agreement. Moore ultimately alleges that Gimfey stole millions of dollars from him through these various forms of wrongdoings. The singer is bringing a slew of civil claims against him, including breach of contract, forgery, and conversion, and he's seeking financial damages as well as court orders voiding all his contracts with Maverick City Music. Defendants' greed, exploitation, misappropriation of Moore's assets, and intellectual property have deprived plaintiffs of their contractually owned royalty, assets, monies, and ownership's interests, read the civil lawsuit. One of Moore's lawyers, Sam Lipshy, of the law firm Brackley Arad, told Billboard on Tuesday, October the 7th, this law firm is privileged to represent Chandler Moore, an extraordinary artist and human being. Like many talented creators and performers, Chandler has faced situations where his trust and talent were taken advantage of in various ways, said the attorney. We are fully committed to helping Chandler recover what is rightfully his, resolve outstanding legal matters, and assist him in moving forward freely to continue building the even brighter, impactful career that lies ahead for him. A rep for Maverick City Music did not immediately return a request for comment on Tuesday, according to Billboard Music. What do you think, guys? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, like and of course, do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and watching this one.